Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another decluttering series. Now this, I don't even know what I'm gonna name this video. It is part of my declutter series, but this is literally just like a miscellaneous drawer of stuff that honestly I didn't even remember I had at all. And there's things that I found in there that I have been looking for months, which is insane. So why don't we just jump right into it. I have this Soap and Glory, the Righteous Butter Sun-Kissed Tint Body Lotion. I've never used it, and it looks green, which is a little weird. Okay, so it has a tint, but I feel like this is way too dark for me. It doesn't even do anything. It kind of just disappeared. I've never used it. No, that's just not going to work for my skin tone. So I'm definitely going to get rid of that. Maybe someone else wants it. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, because I don't know. I don't like it. The next thing I have is the Tarte Clean Queen Vegan Deodorant. I didn't like this. I don't even know why I still have this. I didn't like it. I don't like the smell. It just smells really, really weird. So I'm going to be getting rid of that. I have the Better Bod Bronze and Contour. Honestly, I don't use any of these products, you guys. Let's be real. I don't tan. I don't like this either. Like, it just, I don't know, it looks muddy on my skin tone. I don't know if you guys can tell. It just looks muddy. So I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of a lot of things in this drawer just because I don't use a lot of them. And then I have Glow with the Faux Foaming Self Tanner. Now again, I don't use self tanner, so I'm going to get rid of this, give it to someone else who wants to be tan. I have this little Nailed It NCLA and BoxyCharm. This is like a little, kind of like a nail clipper thing on the go. I lost a nail clipper though. So, but I'm going to keep this just because it's very travel friendly. I don't even remember I had that. So I'm going to keep this. This is a little mirror that I got a long time ago. This is the Sephora and Minnie Mouse collection, the little bow. I think this is the cutest little thing. I had been looking for it for months and I couldn't find it, and I found it in this drawer. I'm telling you guys, as I was taking everything out of the drawer, I was like, what the hell? This is where this went. This is where that went. It's crazy. And then I have the Tarte Marajuka C Brightening Eye Treatment. I used to use this religiously, and then I guess I put it away and I just forgot where I had put it. So I stopped using it, but I really, really like this. I feel like it really, really helps my under eye. Like, I have pretty bad circles. Like, I don't sleep that much. So I have pretty bad circles, so I am definitely keeping that. I have the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I have never used this before, but I should give it a try. I mean, why not, right? It's not even open, you guys. It's still sealed, so I am definitely going to give this a try. Put this in my skincare drawer. I have this Red Label Cosmetics Makeup Setting Spray. I never really liked this. The Red Label is like a small little brand. It's part of the school I went to for cosmetology. I never really liked the setting spray, so I'm going to get rid of that. I have the Soap and Glory Original Pink Body Spray. I don't even think I've ever tried this. That actually smells really good and really fresh. I'm actually going to keep that because that smells pretty bomb actually. I have this L'Oreal Infallible Paint Matte. I believe I got this when I was working with L'Oreal. Oof. Never mind, that scent just got to me. Ugh. This one's actually really, really pretty. It's like a pink nude. I don't know if you guys can tell. So I'm going to keep this because I actually really do enjoy this one. I have the Gifted Tarte Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I didn't like this. Oh, God. Okay. Never mind. I'm not keeping this. Oh, I feel like I'm going to throw up now. Ugh. It smelled really nice at the beginning, but then it just was too overpowering. So this is the Gifted Amazonian Clay Mascara. I never really liked this. I didn't like the wand. Connor, be quiet! I never liked the wand. I don't know. I feel like it just clumped up my lashes, so I'm going to get rid of that. I have the Tarte Skin Twinkle lighting palette. So I have this lighting palette from Tarte. I really do like this, but I only use one shade, which is this one, because all the other ones are just too light for my skin tone. So I am going to keep this just because I do really like this one. I have these lovable nudes from the Beauty Crop. These were sent to me for free. Well, these are sent to me. And I did like a little review on I did swatches on my lips on my Instagram. And they're actually really nice. I actually really like the formula to these. They last a very long time. And they're pretty good, I want to say. So I'm going to keep these, of course, because your girl loves her nude lipsticks. So I have this Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio. Now, I do love the highlight in this palette, but I never go for it anymore. There's so many other highlights that I can go for without having to pick up a whole like palette like this. So I'm gonna get rid of it because I just never go for it anymore. And right here I just have shampoos because your girl worked with L'Oreal, so I have a shit ton of samples. These I just kind of give away. And then I have the Comfort Zone Wet n Wild Color Icon Eyeshadow Palette. Now, I did buy this because I really like this green. And honestly, I don't think I have a green like this in my collection. But I probably do. So I'm going to get rid of this just because I never go for a small eyeshadow palettes like this. And honestly, all of these are shimmer shadows, so can't really do much with that. Then I have the Makeup Primer Spray from Scandinavia. This is pretty much empty, but I'm going to keep this just because I do enjoy this. The Scandinavia line is really good, and I really enjoy that. Oh god, you guys, that perfume gave me a headache. I have the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless Blush Kit. Now this is something I will never ever use. These shades are just not me. So I'm definitely going to get rid of this. I'm not even going to swatch it or anything because I just know that I'm not going to like it. This is the IBY Beauty, and I have the Maybelline New York Expert Wear. I'm going to get rid of these just because, like I said, I don't really go for small little packages like this. And when I travel, I just take one big palette with me. It's just a lot more convenient for me. The next thing is the Best Damn Lip Mask, and I love this freaking lip mask, and I couldn't find it for so long, and I was like, what the hell? How did it get missing? How did it go missing? Where did I put it? And I finally found it. I love this lip mask, so I'm definitely keeping that. I have this Murad Balance Moisturizer. For some reason, I believe I couldn't use it because it had something that I can't use. So I believe I gave this to my mom, but I guess she put it back in my drawer. I'm going to keep it, see if she wants it still. If she doesn't want it, then I will put it away. I have so many lip products in here, you guys. These are like my miscellaneous lip products, so I'm going to go through them in this video. And I'm going to do a whole entire video on my lip products that I do use constantly. I have all of these. I don't know if you guys can see. I have all these Tarte lipsticks that I got in a giveaway, and honestly I just never ever go for these, so I'm pretty much just gonna give them away. I don't really go for lipsticks, regular lipsticks like this anymore. I only go for liquid lipsticks or gloss because I don't know, I just don't really like these, so these are definitely going. I also have these, and these are from Tarte as well. These I just never really gravitated towards either. I got these in a giveaway as well, but like I said, I don't really like lipsticks, so I'm getting rid of these. I like a few of them like laying around. I have my Smashbox Contour Trio, and actually I've been looking for these, and these are really great. I really love these. They work really well. They're very blendable and very creamy, so I'm definitely keeping these. So I have my Vivid Brights eyeliners from NYX. I'm keeping these. These are a lot of fun to play with, especially with Halloween coming around. I'm so excited. I still have to figure out what Halloween looks I want to film this year. I definitely want to do some Halloween looks. And then I have these Pro Artist Body Art Liner. These are nice as well. These are technically aren't, these are waterproof, okay? So these take a lot to wash off, and it's really, really difficult sometimes. I have this Kylie Cosmetics and Coco K lip liner. I believe the cap is right here. I am going to keep this because I do like these lip liners. I have these two NYC liquid liners that I'm going to throw away because I've had them for years in there, and I just feel like they're probably expired by now. This one's completely dried out, so I'm going to throw these away. I have all of these liquid lipsticks from Wet n Wild. I am going to keep these because I did really like the formula. So I'm going to keep those. I have a ton of Jeffree Star lip products. And honestly, I'm only going to keep a few of them. Only because, okay, so like this one. Like my son dropped them all. Like I had them in like an acrylic box, and he dropped the case. So a lot of them like popped out completely. So of course, like this one I am going to get rid of. This is Prom Night. I'm going to get rid of this just because it pops off and it's just going to be a big mess. I just want to make sure that these aren't popping off. I have a ton of them. See, like, okay, like this one's Rose Madder. This one's completely dried out, so I'm going to get rid of this one. This one is I'm Nude, and this one's dried out as well. I'm going to get rid of that. I like the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. They are a really good formula, and they last a very long time, and you can use them for like lip liners. You can use them as eyeliners and stuff, so it's pretty good. Okay, so this is ColourPop. I believe this is a glossy lip, and this is also ColourPop. This is an ultra satin lip. These I really like. This one is midi, but this one's dried out. So I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm going to keep these two. These are 3 of the Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipsticks that I have. These are actually really nice. I really, really like these. So I'm definitely going to keep these. I have Serenity, Aphrodite, and Cher. I did have a red one, but I have no idea what happened to it. But I'm going to keep those. I have more lip liners here. I'm going to keep these because I really like my lip liner. I have this Pearly Girl Tarte. This is like a whitening pen. But I'm not going to keep this because my dog was chewing on it one day. So I'd rather just not even try and put that on. I have this Project Beauty Spray Set Go Makeup Setting Spray. I've never tried it, and I don't really feel like trying it. I have so many setting sprays at work. I kind of don't want to, I don't want to really try a new setting spray, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to give that away. I have a Colored Rain liquid lipstick, which I kind of want to get rid of because I don't know if you guys can see. You guys can see like it's white inside. It's not even like the actual color anymore. It's just white. This is another ColourPop lippy, and I'm going to keep these. I really like the ColourPop lipstick. I have this Face Paint Lip and Cheek Tint. I'm never going to use this, so there's no point in keeping it. And then I have this Smashbox Photo Finish. This is like a travel size, like a sample size. I actually really do like this primer, so I'm going to keep that because I like it. I have these Lancome matte shakers. I've never used these before, and they seem pretty odd, so I'm just going to get rid of these because I don't think I'll ever go for something like this. And they smell really chemically. This was a tester from my kit when I worked with L'Oreal, so I'm going to get rid of this just because it was a testing one. And then I have this Trestique highlighting. I never really liked these cream formula highlighters, so I'm just going to get rid of it. I have this DLS matte lipstick. This is a red, but I feel like this red is just too orange.
But actually it's really nice. So I think I'm going to keep this just to try it out. I don't think I ever tried it out. And then I have this Blink Black Lash Primer. I've never tried this. Like you can tell, it's not even open. But I think I'm going to try it out. It's a lash primer, so definitely going to try this out. I have this. What is this? Where is this from? I don't even know where this is from. Doesn't even tell me where this is from. But it looks like it's an eyebrow pencil. But it's dried out. So I'm going to get rid of it. This is from Winky Lux. And then I have this Too Faced Melted Chocolate. I love this, you guys. I don't know if I'm blurry, and if I'm blurry, I'm going to have to redo this whole entire video. Yeah, okay. So this I really love. I'm not a huge fan of the chocolate smell, because I don't really like chocolate. Oh, it's dried out. It is dried out. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of it because it's dry. It's like literally water, like it just disappears. And then this is the L'Oreal Telescopic eyeliner, I believe. I never really liked it because I didn't like how the point was. And it's dried out as well. You guys can see, like, these are pretty old makeup products because they're all dried out. This is the Tarte Opening Act Lash Primer. And this is dried out as well. So I'm getting rid of that. I actually got rid of a lot of things this time. I'm only keeping a few things. So I'm actually pretty excited about that. Give me more of like a clear like vision of what I have in my kit, like in my collection. So I really like that. So this is pretty much it from everything that I had up here to just this one container. I think I did a pretty darn good job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I will be doing my next declutter, I believe is my last few videos, which are going to be my full-on lip products. So stay tuned for those. Those are probably going to be either 2-3 videos just because I have a ton of lip products to go through. And then we would be done with the series. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm almost done going through all my makeup. It's insane. But I hope you guys enjoy these videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.